Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download the Foodpanda application. So guys, the first thing that you will have to do is go inside the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have. I have the iPhone device, so I'll be in the App Store, so this video will be about how to download it on the iPhone. So now when you open your application, here we are, we have, as you can see, the Today tab, the Games tab, we have the apps, we have the arcade, and lastly, we have the search tab, which we will need. So here in the search tab, as you can see, we have the search bar where you need to type, and here you need to go and type in Foodpanda. So click Foodpanda and click search. Now here it is, you can see it. We have the Foodpanda. So we have it for delivery and for groceries. So basically we have it, as you can see, Foodpanda food and groceries, and we have Foodora. Okay, and if we have it for, as you can see, we just need to click on it. And here guys, what you need to do is, as you can see, click on the blue get button. Now you need to click on the button, and here you can then see the ratings of the application. Of course, you have to double click to install it. Here guys, you can see the ratings of the application, the age, the category, the developer, language, and the size of the application. So as you can see, the application is quite big. It has about 200 megabytes. Also here you can see the reviews of other people, so the ratings, reviews of the actual app. Here you can see what's new, and so on and so on. Like a lot of information about the app can be seen here. Now what you need to do is just wait a few seconds, as you can see, and you have it, the open button now. You can click it and open the application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be hoping to see you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.